what this exam question asked. This exam question, I forget what hourly exam it was on, said we have this reaction between BaCl2 in aqueous solution and the salt AgF in aqueous solution where we get a white precipitate. And it asked you to interpret each of these reference blank tests. So we have the first one. Okay, the first one, FeCl3 and AgF. What particular ion is it testing? Well, it's testing the Ba2+. That's what you have replaced in the reaction. However, the outcome is totally different than the original reaction. So, what do you write down? Invalid, right, good, okay. Invalid test, totally different to reaction. And if you look at number 2, where it tells you that the white solid is identical to that in the initial reaction, notice it is the same cation, the Ba2+, that is being replaced. Everything else is the same as in the initial reaction. And in number 2 here, we get the white solid, even though the Ba2+ has been removed. So now we know that the Ba2+ is not essential to reaction. It is a spectator ion. And finally, this reaction, testing the Cl-, where the Cl- is replaced with NO3-, very soluble, and there's no reaction. So now we know that Cl- is critical to reaction and formation of the precipitate, and it's also likely that the precipitate is therefore AgCl. Of course, we should test that by also removing the Ag+ from the initial reaction.